Smarther with Netatmo. Virtual Assistant Association. Using the Virtual Assistants app, activate the relevant skill or add the thermostat so that Smarther with Netatmo can be associated to Alexa, Google Home or Apple HomeKit and can be managed by voice. Once synchronization has been activated, the virtual assistant can be asked to manage the temperature.
Alexa, set 20 degrees on the Smarther in the kitchen.
The heat's set to 20.
Hey Siri, set the temperature to 18 degrees.
Okay, I'm lowering the temperature from 27 degrees to 18 degrees.
Okay, Google. Kitchen temperature, please.
Heating is set to 25 with a current temperature of 24.5.